Hello, foodies. Today, we have a refreshing and vibrant Italian recipe to share with you, the tomato salad. But hold on, because we'll also uncover some lesser known facts about this beloved dish. Let's dive right in. Fact number 1, tomato salad, or insalata di pomodori in Italian, is a classic dish that showcases the natural beauty and flavors of ripe tomatoes. It's a staple in Italian cuisine, especially during the summer when tomatoes are at their peak. Fact number 2, did you know that tomatoes originated in South America and were brought to Europe by Spanish explorers in the 16th century? Italy quickly adopted this vibrant fruit and incorporated it into their cuisine, leading to the creation of delightful dishes like tomato salad. Fact number 3, while tomato salad can be as simple as tomatoes, olive oil, and salt, it can also be customized with a variety of ingredients. Popular additions include fresh basil, mozzarella cheese, onions, olives, or even a drizzle of balsamic vinegar. The possibilities are endless. Fact number 4, tomato salad is more than just a delicious side dish. It's a nutritional powerhouse too. Tomatoes are rich in vitamins A and C, antioxidants, and lycopene, a compound known for its potential health benefits. So, enjoy this salad guilt-free. Fact number 5, tomato salad is not just about taste and health, it's also a feast for the eyes. The vibrant colors of different tomato varieties, from deep reds to bright yellows and greens, make it an eye-catching addition to any meal or gathering. Fact number 6, tomato salad is incredibly versatile. It can be served as an appetizer, a side dish, or even as a topping for bruschetta or grilled bread. Its simplicity and fresh flavors make it a perfect companion for various dishes, from pasta to grilled meats. Fact number 7, Italians truly appreciate the art of simplicity, and tomato salad is a testament to that. By using high-quality, ripe tomatoes and a few key ingredients, you can create a dish that celebrates the natural sweetness and freshness of this beloved fruit. That's a wrap, folks. We hope you enjoyed discovering these lesser-known facts about tomato salad. Give this recipe a try and let us know in the comments below how you like to customize your own tomato salad. Remember to like, subscribe, and share this video with your fellow food enthusiasts. Until next time, buon appetito!